Guys, I'm gonna go outside. The reason why I'm still not at the parking lot is because my sister was really hungry and grabbed me. So, yeah. I'm not sure I can hear it, but it sounds like a war, man. Freaking Texas versus something, man. Good look at you looking around, man. Do you hear that? Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside, but hopefully y'all can hear that, man. It's freaking. Oh. Well, if y'all wanted to know, I went swimming. Oh God. Did I not hear that? It is freaking war, man. Well, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.